Every time I try to write my feelings down, shadow dictates the words that I'm writing. Sweet intoxication filled with life's frustration, pushing me under your love so cold. So much time trying to think of a line. Here is the last one. Battered and bruised me, kind of abused me. Forgot that my heart could take in the strain of it. All your contradiction, take time to fix them. This is the one thing I can't explain. So much time trying to think of a line. Here is the last one. This is the last one. This is the last one. I'll carry on, stumble along, pray in my mind will start to make sense of it. Sweet, sweet delusion, how can I choose them? This is the one thing I can't explain.